Okay, Form 2, Chapter 2, Mathematics Form 2, Chapter 2, Factorization and Algebraic Fraction. Okay, today we're going to do this question number 6. The ground area of a piece of land of a supermarket used for parking cars is this. Algebra, never mind. So, area. So we draw something. We draw parking lots. Okay. The area is this. Okay. All the area is, the value is this. Square meters. Number 1, if the area of a parking lot for a vehicle is, if the area of a parking, only one, okay, if the area, a parking lot for a vehicle, means only one slot. This is the big place, the big yacht, the big ground, okay. So they divide the ground to lots of parking lots. Okay, let's say like this, So this box for one parking car. We don't know it yet. Never mind. Keep moving. So it says that for one vehicle, the square, the area is this. So this small box, it takes this. Okay, I believe you got the idea. All the area is this, and this only a parking lot for one vehicle is this, the area. So the question, how many cars can be parked there? How many cars? How many? Okay. So now, what is your idea? How to find how many cars that can park there? If we know each of them, then we can. If we know the number of a park, then we can count it manually. But this time we don't know. All that given to us is the area of all the car parks and the area of one car park. So you got any idea of how to find how many parking area are there? Yes, we take this area and we divide by this area. We take this area and divide by this area, okay? And we'll get the number of the how many area, this small area that we get in this big area. Okay, I believe you got the idea. Now it's going to be, we do some arrangement of algebraic form, and we take big area and divide by small area, and we divide by this. It is clear, it's not it. Very clear. Now, next question, how do we supposed to do this? How do we supposed to divide divide by algebraic form? if somehow we can we eliminate something there? We got no idea. Never mind. Let's take a look at this term here in a parenthesis. If we can do something about this, here is the big idea. If we can factorize this back to its origin, something like this, simple one. Maybe we can eliminate both. So how do we factorize this? As we learned before. Okay, let's do this there. I'm going to copy the algebra. Okay, the same, okay. And then, do you still remember this cross multiplication? Okay, back to factorization. In this case, it is similar to this. This also can, this also can. It is similar to this. So if we do factorization for this, we're going to get something like this. Okay. Now, in order to factorize this, we're going to need cross multiplication. If you not remember, then let's go this once again. So we have here, take a look at the number, only a number, 16. Remember how, let's find before we able to do cross multiplication, we need to find the factorization for the number at the back. Okay, the number. So say what is the factorization for this 16? Maybe, and because of this is positive, so we either this 2 times 8, or maybe this negative 2 times negative 8, or maybe, how about this 4 times 4, and also maybe this negative 4 times negative 4. We don't know it yet for sure. We just let's do this, then later we'll know which is suit for this. So x square we divide by 2. We separate them. Okay, equally as we can, and then we're going to place something there according to this. So, and a little idea for you, take a look at this at the middle term. It is negative, so it is pretty a good idea to determine that the integer must be negative. So these two we can eliminate. Because they are not helping us to get the answer. So maybe all that is left is these two, either this or this. But my guts kind of telling me that it is this. How about you? We'll find it soon. Negative 4 going to be there, and negative 4 going to be there. So this, as usual, this times this, we get negative 4x. This times this, we get negative 4x. And what are we going to do with both of these? We're going to plus. Remember the process? Plus, not multiply, not minus. Keep that in your mind. Okay, negative 4x plus negative 4x going to be negative 8x. quickly refer back to this. Yes, it is correct. It is correct. So we getting convinced more and more. Moving along, how about this? This, both of them, we're going to multiply. Not like this. This we plus, while this we going to multiply. And these two. Okay, negative, multiply negative, we get positive. 4 times 4, we get 16. Quickly refer back to the origin. Yes, we get the same. Okay, now we become more convinced. And this, multiply this, absolutely back to its origin. There it is. So here it is, cross multiplication in order to find the factorization. And here it is, here they are, the result. So the result going to be x minus 4 times this, x minus 4. Okay, back to this. The next idea is we're going to replace this. Sorry, we're going to replace this with this. We're going to replace all this set with this set. And it will be going to be x minus 4, x minus 4. Right? Okay. We replace all of them with what the result. Don't worry, they both still the same as this, but in different term, in different form. This is term of the form of expansion. This is in the form of factorization. But they both equal in value. Moving along and divide by this. So you know what? This is square. Means that this going to repeat 2 times. All of this in this parenthesis is going to repeat 2 times. Okay. So if we expand, it could be like it's going to be like this. Right? Good. Now, can we simplify? Yes, it is. We can eliminate whichever that same, can eliminate this by this and this by this. And what is left is only this. Okay, 25. So, what is 25? 25 is, remember, 25 is the how many this small area can be fitted inside this big area. So this 25 actually the how many parking lots are there. So we the answer is going to be 25 unit of parking lots. You could say something like that. This is okay. So we answered question number 1. How about number 2? If 4 units of the parking lot, if 4 units of the parking lot have been booked by the supermarket, let's say this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, is already been booked by the supermarket itself. What is the question? How many parking lots are left? How many? Okay, how many parking lots are left? Okay, how many? So we count. It's like we're going to count. what is left to find the answer. But we don't know it yet. All we know that all the parking lots is 25 unit, 25 units, sorry. 25 unit. And all that we know is 4 being taken. 4 being taken. So minus 4, correct? And all that is left, we do the mathematics. 25 minus 4 we'll get, and all that is left is only 21 units. There it is. This also units, put S there. Okay. So that is how we convert the situation to mathematics. And do not forget, you need to draw in order to put away confused. If you put this away, absolutely you might get confused. So we need to draw to help us understanding better. Okay, see you again.